What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming back to you with another install from UNice Hair. All the information will be in the description box below. So this is a 24-inch butterscotch highlight. Yes, you heard me right. Butterscotch. It's so pretty. Loose wave wig. It comes with pre-cut lace like you see here, an elastic band, and it's pre-bleached. It has this comb in the back and the silicone grip around the side and ear cutouts, and it has a bang. These are just some of the goodies that come in the box when you order your wig. They send you a lot of things, but if you want to see me install this wig, then you got to keep on watching. So I'm starting off with my wig cap already on because you do not want to see what's underneath that wig cap, y'all. I am sparing you the drama. You're welcome. But anyways, everything is already slicked back, and I'm just going to take my cream makeup from Ruby Kisses. I got this from Amazon and a flat top brush, and I'm just going to color my wig cap. Like I said, they have pre-colored wig caps, so you don't have to do this. You don't have to use a wig cap at all if you don't want to, but these are just the wig caps that they always send with the wigs, and this is just what I have on hand. So I just go ahead and color it just to make sure you can't really see it underneath the lace. The preparation for this wig is really simple, and the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and install it. So before I install it, I am just going to adjust this band here to make sure it's comfortable and not too tight. Then I'm just going to slide it on the back of my head like so, and then flip the wig over to the back and then push in that comb. So yeah, I'm gonna push in that comb underneath my braids or whatever is going on underneath that wig to make sure it's fit snug. Then I also make sure my ears are fitting comfortably around like the ear tabs, and that nothing is like too tight or anything like that, just to make sure everything is fitting snug and comfortably. And this is what it looks like as soon as I put this wig on. I can tell like these colors is so pretty, especially like when I really style the wig. It's gonna be really cute. But so far the wig fits so comfortably. I don't feel anything. I did have to adjust this lace under here because it did roll up a little bit, but I'm going to be styling my lace later. But overall, the wig feels very light and comfortable, and it doesn't feel like I have much on my head. So just lifting up this bang here, you can kind of see the line of demarcation where the lace is. So really quickly, I'm just going to take some more of my cream makeup and just swipe it along my hairline just to cover it in. So if you do want to wear your hair gluelessly, this is literally all you'll have to do to get it to blend in, and then you'll be fine. You can also take some spritz, like a light spritz, and put it on there as well, which will help make the lace disappear. But after I did that, everything was transparent. So because of the type of hairline I have, as you can see, my edges do stick out past the wig a little bit. I am going to add just very small baby hairs. I know everybody cringe whenever I say like the B word for baby hairs, but I feel like I have to do this just to make it look more natural for myself. Yeah, there is a bang on the wig, but sometimes I feel like the bang isn't enough, especially like if the wind blows or something like that. I just want to have my baby hairs there. So I'm just taking my scissors and just cutting them really short. And I really made it a point to make them very like thin and small so that it'll look more natural and not be too heavy. And then next I'm just going to take my gel and just swoop them into place. So yeah, they don't look too bad. I made them very thin, as you can see. Like, you don't have to panic or anything. Like, I really just wanted to make just small little baby hairs, and I think it looks natural. I probably should have did this before I put on the cream makeup on my hairline, but I'm spraying some spray on it just to help the lace blend a little bit more. Not necessarily to hold it down, but just to, like I said, make it blend some more. And then I'm just going over it with my little baby fan here that's pink and so cute, just to dry my lace and also my little edges that I created. Okay, so now it's time for the fun part. We really get to play in the hair. I just took out the rollers and this is what it's giving so far, and I didn't do anything to it. And it's actually kind of cute like this. Like, all I'm going to do is just take this wide tooth comb and just kind of comb through the hair. And if you want more of like a loose wave and just like more of like a, you know, not too structured type of look, then you can definitely wear it like this. The hair is very soft and very lightweight, so you have a lot of versatility with it. And then I just want to show you really quickly what the back is looking like because it's really cute. The hair is really pretty, and this butterscotch color, the highlights, is definitely giving really cute for fall. So I did want to go ahead and put curls in it though, because one, I wanted to see how well the hair holds a curl, and two, I felt like putting a little bit more tighter curls in the hair will allow the colors and the highlights to pop a little bit more. So I'm just taking my curling wand here and adding some curls. I think this is like a 1-inch barrel. It's not the biggest one. It's like the second size. I got this one from Amazon and it does really well. And so yeah, I'm just gonna wrap the hair around the barrel, hold it for a couple seconds, and then drop it. It really didn't take much to curl this hair, which is a really good sign. Like, I didn't have to hold the heat on there for like 30 seconds or nothing crazy like that. I literally held it on there for like 5-10 seconds and let it go, and it held the curl. So for my bang, I do want to mention that I did start off curling it going towards my face because I do like that look, but later on I did change it. I changed it off camera and did it going away from my face, just so you know. And then this is just a quick little side-by-side comparison of the loose wave versus the curly. But I'm going to go ahead and continue to curl my hair on the other side. The whole process probably took me like 15 minutes, and that's only because I was really taking my time breaking it down into small sections. But yeah, it was not tedious at all. After I'm done curling my hair, I'm just going to take my fingers and run it through my curls just to loosen them up a little bit. I didn't want to use a comb or anything because I just wanted to keep, you know, the wave still there. But that is it. Look at these curls. Look at this hair. Look at the curl of that bang. It is so super cute. I love this hair because one is extremely lightweight. Like the cap itself is lightweight and breathable. The wig and the hair is very lightweight. I think it's 150 density, so I get a full look without it feeling too heavy on my head, and I definitely love that. Second, this butterscotch highlight is everything, especially for fall. I can see this going really cute with like olive green or like a maroon color, you know, just all the fall colors, brown. I think it would look so cute with that. Even with this orange, I like how this color looks, so definitely check out this color for fall. I did not have any issues with like tangling or shedding or anything like that. This is a really great wig and simple to install. It really only takes minutes and you don't have to be a professional. So I definitely love it, but you don't have to take my word for it. You can definitely check it out for yourself. All the information for this hair is in the description box below, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.